babies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to review the March Curlbox. My bad for not doing February. I was trying to stick to the whole black owned business thing for February, so I have to remember that next year that Curlbox is still a thing. And yeah, I'll have to squeeze that in somehow. But if you still want to see the February Curlbox review, let me know and I will get that out. But today we're going to go ahead and review the March box because it's March and I'm here for it and I'm ready to do it. So if you are not familiar with Curlbox, it is a monthly subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size products for curly girls, and it's $25. So I've had Curlbox for a while, and I will make sure I do my Curlbox reviews here. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe. So here is the card we got in the Curlbox. Cute. They always have a cute little card, and it shows what we got this month. And this month is Lustrous Pink. So yeah, and then they have cute little pamphlet too that shows all the products that they have in this line. So some of them are in the box and some of them are not, but this is cute and very informative. So when I opened the box, y'all, this is what it looked like. And one product in particular took me to a special place back in time. So of course it was the Lustrous Pink lotion. Oh girl, when I pulled this out, I was like, ooh, this and Hot 6 oil and a lot of body setting lotion that you had to dilute with water and pump it up hairspray. Girl, you couldn't tell us nothing. Okay, hair was hooked. Okay, so let me show you guys what's in the box this month. So we have the sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. This is the shea butter and coconut oil line. That's what that looks like. It says it is sulfate free, so I know you guys will like that. This is the shea butter and coconut oil moisturizing and soothing conditioner. And it is water and then glycerin. So if you're not into glycerin, this does have glycerin in it. And do I see any cones? Yes, down at the cone. It's kind of towards the bottom, but it's in there. Next, we have the Super Moisturizing Curl Definer. So let's see what that one looks like. Okay, this is like one of those jelly type of, it looks like a cream with some gel in there maybe. So this might be good for a twist style or something like that. The Curl Popping Defining Gel. Okay, girl, this is a gel like, it's perfumey. Kind of thick. Not too thick. Reminds me of like a wet line kind of girl. You know ain't nobody messing with baby daddy wet line though. I'm just saying, we don't see. Let's get started with wash day because honey, my hair is dry, fried, and laid to the side. Let's go. Okay, y'all, I was so ready to wash my hair. Look at them dry roots, girl. Like, it's so funny how we used to run from water and now, like, our hair be begging for it. I wished I had pre-poo before this because I wasn't sure how the shampoo was going to do me. But I did go ahead and finger rake through my hair to get as much shed hair out as possible before going in with the shampoo. So the shampoo was like a pearlized type of shampoo. So I did expect it to have some type of moisture to it. This is a hydrating and clarifying shampoo. It's sulfate free, as I mentioned before, and it has shea butter, coconut oil, argan, olive, jojoba, and wheat germ oils, also vitamin E and provitamin B5. When I put this in, it smelled so familiar, and it also felt like a shampoo that I had used before, and I wasn't sure what it was until I was like almost done shampooing my hair, and I was like, this is exactly like a Cream of Nature shampoo. So if you like Cream of Nature shampoos, you'll probably like this one because they was basically the same thing. And I was rinsing it out of my hair. It rinsed out okay. It didn't seem like it was just sitting in my hair. It was decent, and this is what my hair was looking like after the shampoo. So now I'm going in with their rinse out conditioner, and it says it hydrates, smooths, and adds shine. This is their moisturizing and soothing conditioner with shea butter, coconut oil, olive, sunflower, argan, and vitamin E oils. And also, neither the shampoo or conditioner have mineral oils, parabens, animal protein, or phthalates. The conditioner says you can leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse out, or for a deeper conditioning, cover with a plastic cap and sit under a hooded dryer for 10 to 15 minutes if you like. I could tell that it was softening my hair up, but it felt like a typical rinse out conditioner. I did want to do some detangling, so I started off with finger detangling, and it did give a decent slip for finger detangling, or if you're using a wide tooth comb. On the other side, I wanted to go in with my Tangle Teaser for anybody that uses tools in their hair. This was a little bit more difficult because, of course, with the Tangle Teaser, it is more thorough detangling because the bristles are a lot smaller. It's possible. I would definitely suggest you work in really small sections if you do use a tool. It has decent slip, but it's not the best slip, so you do want to make sure you work in really small sections. And this is the conditioner all through my hair, and I just rinsed it out. It rinsed out really easily. Unfortunately, though, it looked like it was hydrating, but once I rinsed it out, I wasn't getting that hydration and that moisture that you should have from a conditioner. Hey you guys, so my hair is all washed and deep conditioned. I deep conditioned with this Honey's Handmade deep conditioner. It's the Camel, Olive, and Honey Caribbean Coconut Deep Conditioning Mask. So let's go ahead and get started with putting our leave-in in, y'all. Like, when is the last time y'all actually used this? You don't even know. You don't even know. It's definitely like not as slippery as the leave-ins that we are currently used to. You can tell it definitely has those oils in it still. So I don't know how this is going to react, how this is going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put this all through my hair, and then we'll come back and apply the gel. Okay, you guys, I am back. I did get started without y'all. Well, I got almost done without y'all. Something came up, so I had already like started because I had to talk on the phone at the same time. So anyway, I did distribute the leave-in all through my hair. So if you've never used Pink Oil Moisturizer, I know there are some people out there who actually have not, maybe a younger generation that wasn't on this boat, and that's fine. So the first few ingredients are water, paraffinum liquidum, mineral oil, lanolin, beeswax, and petroleum. So even though the consistency when you put it in your hand is not super thick, when you put it in your hair, it is very, very stiff because there's a lot of oils and waxes in it. So it's kind of like where you put it is where it's at. So it's not easy to distribute it through your hair. And then I was going in with the gel. The gel ingredients aren't as bad. This is water, cardamom, triamine something, coconut oil, shea butter, castor oil, amino acids. So this one isn't that bad. So let me just show y'all what I've been doing right quick. So like I said, the leave-in is pretty stiff. So where you put it is where it's staying. I'm just spraying a little water on it to kind of loosen it up a little bit. You definitely won't be doing any detangling with this leave-in because it's so thick. And then I'm just putting the gel on, making sure I'm getting them roots, honey, because I don't like them bushy roots. And putting the gel on. Use as much gel as you feel necessary. It is a thicker gel. I don't know what to compare it to. I've never used like Eco Styler. I had an Eco Styler, but when I did it was like the black castor oil one, but I only used it like for slick back ponytails. I never used it like for actual style before. So it's, if you're a wet line girl, this is way thicker than wet line. So I personally have to add water to it to make it a little more slippery, but it is stiff. It does have some good, you know, thickness to it to where you feel like you're going to have some hold, and it gives you some definition. I'm not able to shingle a lot because of how thick it is, so I'm just smoothing it down and just separating whatever wants to separate. So that's giving me like a little definition and a little frizz at the same time, so I can have like kind of a like a more voluminous, bigger type of look. And I got some white stuff on there, but that's okay. Y'all seen my videos before. You know that I usually have white stuff in my hair because I'm low porosity, and then it will go away as it dries. So, oh, let me show y'all what it's looking like around the back too. So I will come back when my hair is completely dry and we will finish this thing up. What is this? What the hell is this? Do y'all see this hair? Do y'all see this hair? Do y'all see this? And right here, I don't know if y'all can see or tell, like right in here, it's still wet. It's been what, 24 hours? Look at my hair. Look at this hair. It looks like day 82. I know I said I wanted a more fluffy, voluminous wash and go, but this is not what I was talking about. I look like Frederick Douglass. What the hell? Y'all remember back in the day in school when they, Black History Month, and they showed you a picture of Frederick Douglass? That's what this hair is. A mess. Like, girl, is you serious? What am I going to do with this? And you know what's crazy though? Sometimes I'll see people on Instagram and they'll have like hair that's not super defined. It is more like afro-like and more just like a real wash and go. Like you could wake up, wash your hair and not put hella products on and it'll come out kind of like this. And it be so pretty on them. Like they be owning it. It be so cute. But then I'm thinking, okay, well, you know, maybe you just, you need to pick it out a little bit and throw on some makeup. No, girl, this shit is a mess. This is a mess. Like, no, girl. This was a epic fail. I almost didn't even want to finish this video, but I just needed y'all to see this. For anybody that's new to my channel, my hair don't be looking like this. It don't. It really don't. Anybody that knows and watches my channel, y'all is sitting there laughing so hard right now. And y'all wrong. Y'all wrong. Y'all real wrong. But I'll be laughing too. Because when I saw this, I was like, girl. Let's go over the product. So as far as this moisturizing shampoo, sulfate free, this absolutely reminded me of a Cream of Nature shampoo. It felt and smelled exactly like a Cream of Nature shampoo. So if you like Cream of Nature shampoos, you would like this. It absolutely was pretty much the same thing to me. Not stripping, not super moisturizing, just a basic mediocre shampoo. Like it was just all right. Like it was okay. Nothing groundbreaking. This conditioner, this was cool if you are a finger detangler. So it was cool for that. It did have pretty decent slip for that. If you are more of a thorough detangler, like with a Tangle Teaser, it was more difficult to detangle with that. This did not feel as good when I was rinsing it out as it did when I had it on. So I was kind of disappointed in that. And, you know, if I finish this, it's like all the way down here because I used hella conditioner. But if I was to finish it, I would use it as like a pre-poo just to give me some slip to detangle with my fingers. But other than that, this was not a good conditioner for me. I would use this just to moisturize my hair to put it in a puff or a slick back ponytail. But that is about it. I wouldn't use this for a style. The gel. It says Curl Poppin' Defining Gel. Where is the curl poppage, honey? Because my curls is... This is hit, honey. Where is the definition? Where is it? Like, I wouldn't even pick either one of these products back up unless I was doing a slick back ponytail, puff, low bun in the back, like just something to get my hair out the way to get me through the wash day. But I would not, absolutely not repurchase them. Ooh, child. It's a no. It's a hell no. Thank God we in quarantine. Thank the Lord that I don't have to actually go anywhere. Because where was I going? To the Underground Railroad. That's where I was going. I was going straight to the Underground Railroad with this Frederick Douglass hair. Look, them little bit of flakes look like my grays from Frederick Douglass. Okay, Okay, y'all, I'm done. I am out of here because this hair is a mess. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share so everybody else can laugh too. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.